some.
The birdie's hungry. Master Slinky. Bye bye.
Where's the last?
Snowflake. Leah. And Blizzard. There's Snowflake back there in that corner. She is getting abducted by the Slinky. Oh my god, he's masterful. Slinky's going. Look at little old Blizzard just running away. She's getting so scared.
Getting abducted.
It's only me and Snowflake. Snowflake's crying. Look at Leah. Leah's. And then.
Abduct me.
Run! Abduct Snowflake. Run!
And you get Snowflake.
Bye bye! Leah went down the hole. To get Snowflake. No, now it's Leah. There she is, oh, sitting right there. Nice, her hand's gonna get her. There she goes. There goes Snowflake. They break free. She makes it. Get back to your crew. Run, Snowflake. Sorry. It's only Leah left.
All three of them, but they get betrayed. Leah is betrayed.
Let's go. 3 birds. Rise in pain. Getting attacked by the Master Slinky.
They're separated.
No, they're not. Well, now it's just the evil giant. Hard farms.
Look at the 3 birds. Where they stay in pain.